In this video, we're going to show you how to automate constant contact, creating different draft email or draft campaign names using the MacroRecorder software. Here it's version 2.069. We've got Excel, or you could use Google Sheets. And then we have a campaign that we want to copy, but we want to have a different campaign name. We can automate that so we can then hit play when we're done, have it do it over and over again. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit record. We don't want to save the previous one. And we're going to start our macro. We're going to click here, hit copy. We're going to go to Excel, select the new name, come in, delete the old name, paste the new name, hit save. While that's processing, we're going to go back to Excel, delete this, shift up. We're going to wait until it's done. As you can see here, everything's being recorded in the MacroRecorder screen. Wait times, button clicks, mouse movements. You can also see here, it's recording some of the mouse left clicks as down, up, or up, down. We're going to go back and change that when we're done. Then we're going to click campaigns to bring us back to the main page. Most important thing here is to end where you start and start where you end in order for the macro loop to run successfully. If you end in a different page, then when you start to hit play and use the MacroRecorder, it will fail. As you can see here, we have the new campaign name and we're all set. So I'm going to hit stop. I'm going to take a look at what we have here and I'm going to clean it up. So you can manually delete window changes if you want. I recommend you can do that. Or you can hit playback and click focus changes and do it that way. Now, I know this is a left click as opposed to a left button down, so I'm going to change it to a left click here. This also got buggy, so I'm going to change this to a left click. And this is something you need to do every once in a while when you're using the free version. You don't want to deal with left button up. It's actually left click. So you go through and clean it up in the version that you're using. Double check it. Looks good. This can be fixed. Again, it can be fixed. What I found is if you close the MacroRecorder program and then reopen it and start fresh, sometimes that works too. All right. Why don't we go to 110% speed just to see how it works. We've got a couple left here. I'm going to hit play and now I'm hands-free. As you can see, it's a very simple function. It recorded everything I did previously. We're going about 10% faster. You can go up to 1,000% faster if you want, but you have to make sure that you're going within the time frame it takes for your Windows and Constant Contact UI to refresh. Any miss in timing is going to make the MacroRecorder function and process fail. We're almost finished. And it brings us back to the main page. And here we are. So one of the things you can do in order to make this work better is to go in and sort of debug it as I showed you before. You can give yourself some labels like start, finish, and depending on how many campaigns you want to make, with the free version, you can repeat up to 10 times. However, if you copy the entire set here and paste it, you can now do 20 times because you have 2 here times 10 is 20. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the video. Make sure you subscribe. And if this works for you, or if this works in other ways, please leave a comment and share so everybody knows how it's going. There are many other ways you can use the MacroRecorder to automate things in Constant Contact, and we'll be making more videos to show you how to do that to save time. Thanks so much. Have a great day.